Today is the 7th of October, and an update for sterling US dollar. And I just wanted to look at this huge decline overnight during Asia trade and how that fits into what had been counted down as a 5-wave decline. And to my mind, this now looks a completed 5-wave structure, and as unacceptable as it may look, this does form part of this 5-wave decline, because we have waves 1 and 2, sorry, beg your pardon, 1 ABC2, 1 2, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and bear with me just, I'm just going to remove that so we can see this clearer. 1 ABC2, then a 1 2, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 3 4 and 5 for 3, so we've come down 1 2 3 4, and then we start the decline of 1 2 3 4, and then the fifth of the fifth with this huge decline covering something in the region of 8 to 900 pips. Now incidentally, the market excuse me, only stayed at this price level for 60 seconds. So if you look at that on a 1-minute chart, you'll see that it remained there just for that period of time and then immediately retraced 600 pips of this decline. Now that to me highlights that this is a completed 1 2 3 4 and 5-wave decline. The question remains, where does it fit into our longer term price perspective on this currency pair? And what now needs to be seen, I think one of two things will take place. That is either a correction of this 5-wave decline, because this now needs to be corrected as a minimum that would lead to further declines, or you'll see the price high taken out from its origin here, and if that takes place, then we would be allowed, or this would allow this to be labelled as an A, B, C, clearly being a 3-wave structure. So one or two things I think can take place. This is now looking certainly complete with this very strong rejection from the low. This internal labelling remains just as valid as it was, so we'll wait to see what takes place, and if this high is taken out, as I mentioned, we could label it as an ABC. Irrespective of that, I would now expect to see as a minimum a corrective structure here that could lead to further lows, but that remains to be seen. So we'll continue to watch and update, and when we have further perspective on the position, we can provide an update.